Stephen Cooley, and welcome to the Stephen Cooley Real Estate Show. We've got a great show today. Beautiful homes for sale in your area. We've also got Dennis Eagle with Blueagle Carpet Cleaning Company here with us. We're going to take a look at a carpet in a homeowner's house and look at the problem with the carpet and resolve it. And hopefully you can also do the same at your home. Tell us, Dennis, what the problem is with this particular carpet.
With this carpet, you have a traffic area, and you have some soil from the shoes where they've sit there and watched TV and what have you, and it's built up some dark stains. So we're going to come in with a commercial vacuum. We're going to vacuum it very thoroughly. We're going to apply our carpet shampoo, which I'll tell you more about a little bit later, and then gently massage that out and remove the soil and get the carpet looking back like it was supposed to look.
Dennis, one thing I always notice, right in front of couches and sofas, there's always seems like a little line right there, and when homeowners move out, especially if they're moving out before their house sells, that really shows, because very often the carpet under the couch never has been walked on. And so this is a problem you see quite often.
Yes, it is. Right.
Okay.
And that problem is twofold. There's soil there, but also there's wear. And with that extra traffic, you're wearing away the finish on the fiber, exposing it to absorbing stains and oils and things that will attract more dirt. And so we can clean the carpet. We can't always renew the carpet. We can't undamage the carpet. And so it's good to keep up on it, keep it cleaned regularly, so that you don't have that damage to your carpet. Okay,
so the first thing that you do when you come in is you said you vacuum it very thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
And this is a better vacuum than most of us have in our home.
Or if you can get a good home vacuum, but you can't get the little inexpensive ones. You have to get a good vacuum, and you can do the same.
So you vacuum it very thoroughly, and then what happens next?
Then we put our carpet cleaning shampoo on there, which will cause the soil to separate from the fiber very quickly. It's very gentle with it. It's safe for children and pets, but it does a very good job removing the soil. Then we massage that out with a spin bonnet system and remove it from the home.
How is this process different from other processes in cleaning carpet? Because I know there's certain people who get their carpet what they call dry cleaned, steam cleaned. Compare those to this process.
Okay, and the steam cleaning is more hot water extraction.
Right.
And so there's some people that attempt to do a very good job, and some do. It depends on your technician, but still yet you're putting a lot of water in, getting about 85% of that water back out, leaving a lot of water in the home. But to me, it just sort of makes sense that if you're using hot water extraction, you're putting clean water in, it's mixing with the soil, extracting it back out. It'd be like rinsing your hair in muddy water.
Right.
And so I just don't get that concept as a way to go. And perhaps that's one of the reasons we have so many complaints. People say my spots came back so quickly after it was clean.
I always hear that.
Yes, and we don't have that so much. When we get spots out, they stay out, or we go back.
Okay. Now, I've seen carpet pulled up from a homeowner's house that's been cleaned 4 or 5 times over the life of the carpet, and it's actually been molded under the carpet.
Right.
What's caused that?
That's because of over-wetting it.
In the cleaning process?
In the cleaning process, exactly. And so, whereas the company may use 100 gallons in a home, we'll use 3, maybe 4.
Wow.
They'll get 85% out, leaving 15, 16, 17, and we'll get half of ours out, leaving 1 or 2 gallons in the entire area.
Now your process also uses something like what I call a buffer that actually goes down in the carpet and releases that soil. Tell me about that.
Right, it's a bonnet system, and it just massages the soil as it spins around. It's the oldest system in the business, basically. They used it back in the 20s, 30s, and 40s. It reached its high day, but it was very slow. It would take a room like this about 6 hours to clean. So it was very expensive to use because of labor. Your hot water extractors came out in the 30s, took about 35 years before it reached critical mass. In the 70s, they just took off and exploded and became the industry leading cleaning process. Now we have cleaning agents that act so quickly in removing the soil, breaking it loose, excuse me, that we can compete with them time-wise and dollar-wise.
Okay.
But it's a better process, I'm sorry.
Can this process be, this is a process that most of us have never seen before in residential carpet cleaning. Can this process be done on any type of carpet? Because some people have various carpets throughout their home, and a lot of people have almost what they call commercial carpet or Berber carpet in their home. Some people now have shag again. Can this process be used on all those types?
That's a great question. I just cut an article out of the ICS magazine yesterday, which is an industry-leading magazine. And they're saying that this system is being recognized as one that does a great job, and it's not going to go away. People will become more and more familiar with this system as time goes on. And they also say in a previous article that for Berber, this is the best system. And then this article I read yesterday said that this is the best system for commercial cleaning. I believe it's the best system for any kind of carpet there is.
Great. Dennis, thank you so much for that information. We're going to take a break and look at houses for sale in your area. When we come back, can we hit on a little bit more of the chemicals you use and the other processes that you can provide folks also?
Absolutely. We can explain how it works.
Thank you. We'll be right back. Back to today's show. Dennis, what an amazing process that was and what a difference that has made in this homeowner's carpet.
We're excited about what we can do for people's carpet when we go in.
And I've been recommending you for years and got 100% homeowner satisfaction with all the people we've sent you. Thank you so much for that. Hit on for me the chemicals and the process and also some protectors that you can recommend to folks also.
Yes, basically when we clean with shampoo, we use encapsulators. In other words, the cleaning agent is designed to encapsulate the soil, making it easy to vacuum out later and massage out while we're here. So anything that's left behind comes out later, but it also has carbonation in there, which causes the foaming, bubbling, and that brings it out. And then sanitizing. We use sanitizing ingredients as part of our cleaning agents. And then we always like to go back over the carpet with a protector, because it's like putting a layer of Teflon in your skillet. It's going to keep things from sticking to the carpet and provide better service to that customer.
Wonderful. Dennis, also while you're out at people's house, there's a lot of other things you do and you can hit them while you're there. So let's tell folks quickly the other services that Blueagle offers.
We offer upholstery cleaning and of course mattress cleaning to get rid of the dust mites. If your mattress is 10 years old, it weighs 6 pounds more than when you bought it.
Wow.
And so there's a lot of dust mites in the house, and it gets in the upholstery, the carpet, the mattresses, and we get all that cleaned as well. We can clean the grout in your kitchen tile and bathroom tile, and draperies such as that.
Okay, so they can hit everything while they're there, and that is so important when especially when you're putting your home on the market, because people are looking for clean homes and no one wants to move in on top of someone else's dirt.
That's right.
So Dennis, let's touch on how to contact you if they're interested in getting any of these services.
We have a phone number that'll be on the screen, 803-980-3007, and then our website, www.blueagle.org.
Good. Dennis, thank you so much for being on today's show. You're our carpet cleaning and house cleaning expert. This homeowner really appreciates this, and if you've got any other questions, don't hesitate to give Dennis a call at that number. Please stay tuned for more houses for sale in your area.
On the